there's anything that you'll need in GTA San Andreas while you're being chased by police, in this video I'm going to show you on how to create your own Armour script from scratch. We're going to use Sunny Builder tool by Siemens. If you don't know anything about Sunny Builder, I'll leave a link down in the description to a video that will explain to you on how it works and its interface. So after opening up Sunny Builder, you come to the bottom right corner and check and press the version of GTA SA that you want to build for. I want to build for GTA SA Mobile. After that, you come to the file, new cleo script. So we want to create an Armour script and we have a pre-written code here. This one terminates the script and this one determines which version of GTA SA we want to compile for. But for this Armour script, we do not want it to run when the game loads for each frame. We want it to run when we activate it from the Cleo map menu. So in order to make it being activated on the Cleo map menu, we have to change the extension from .csa to .csi. So we put an I. Now we create a method. A method is a group of code. So when we create a method, we need columns. We do columns and we put the name of the method. So here we do Armour and every code under this method belongs to this method, including this last one. So now we have to wait for 100 milliseconds. After waiting 100 milliseconds, we have to check for something so that we do not crash the game. We have to check whether the player is defined or not. The player being defined is like every attribute connected to the player has been loaded. The armor, the health, and what's not, everything related to the player. So we need a condition check here. We do a condition check by if. So we want to check if the player has been defined. So we go to tools, IDE tools, OP code search, and we search player defined. And after getting player defined, we copy it and we paste it here. So it will check if whether the player is defined or not. If the player is not defined, we have to rerun this method so that we can again check if whether the player is defined. So that we don't run to a crash, we have to recheck it until it is true. This condition makes it so that the game does not crash, and the attribute of armor is not applied until the player is loaded. So we do this by saying go to _if _false. Then we go to which method? To the Armour method, so that it can be retested until it is true. Then we come here and check for armor, and we'll pick this one. This one increments. This one, the one about incrementing, it means that it adds 100 to the player's armor. That means if your player has 30% of armor, we add 100 over that 30%, then it will be up until the limit of the armor value. Then we're done. If you have any question or the script did not work for you, leave a comment. I'll also leave a link to my script for you to test. If you don't understand any of the things, please leave a comment and I'll happily make a video to explain it in depth. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.